At the beginning of this year, I have posted a video to explain how to install the open source version of Visual Studio Code, Code OSS on Raspbian. At this moment, the Visual Studio Code 1.50 officially available for Linux ARM architecture. Let's go to code.visualstudio.com. You could find more about the additional features of this release here. I wanna install Visual Studio Code on the Raspberry Pi 4 with a 32-bit version of the Raspberry Pi OS. I need to download the ARM package for Debian distribution. I have already downloaded this file, so I am going to cancel this process. Let's open the terminal and type sudo dpkg-i and path to the downloaded deb file and hit return. The installation takes a few moments to complete. Let's go to the programming menu. Here you will find the Visual Studio Code. Now you can enjoy the latest features of Visual Studio Code. I'm Mohammad Saheb Honar. Thanks for watching and have fun.